A giraffe sneezed one day. Ah-choo went clouds in a funny way. Not just raindrops, oh what a surprise. Lemonade fell from the sunny sky. Splish, splash, puddles sweet and bright. Animals sipped with pure delight. The zebras danced, the monkeys twirled. Lulu laughed and shook the world. Hippos slurped with straw so long. Parrots whistled a zesty song. The savanna glowed in golden streams, like juicy rivers from candy dreams. When the sun began to set so low, the lemonade rain turned into a glow. Lulu whispered, that was fun. Tomorrow we'll have orange juice sun. And in the stars above so high, bubbles of lemonade